Hostile and dangerous extraterrestrial beings have entered Earth's atmosphere and are targeting any living beings in their line of sight. If you see a humanoid that does not look like what it is supposed to, alert authorities immediately. Turn off all lights, lock all doors, do not make any sound. Stay calm as the military and armed forces will handle the situation. Updates will be given throughout the process of all alien termination. Do not try to fight them, do not try to run, your only hope is to hide. If you manage to gain the attention of an invader, do not run to a public space, it will only make it worse.